Myself, Dr. S.R. Bhagat, Associate Professor in Civil Engineering Department at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. This presentation is a part of FDP on environment and sustainability. Today I am going to present on pervious concrete for environmental sustainability. Pervious concrete is basically a special type of high porous concrete which is used for flat work application that allows water from rain and other sources to pass through, thereby reducing the runoff from a site and recharging groundwater levels. Pervious concrete is made from controlled amount of cement, coarse aggregate, water and admixtures if required to create a mass of aggregate which is covered with coating of cement paste. In this there is no sand use, therefore this application is one of the application to minimize the environmental effect of dredging of sand from rivers. Water runoff from pavements and terraces of buildings often creates erosion and siltation problems, causes flash floods and loss of rainwater that could otherwise replenish water tables and aquifers in the nearby area. When pervious concrete pavements or surfaces are used, storm water or the rainwater percolates into the ground beneath, recharging the natural water table instead of running off and causing an erosion. You can see here how the pervious concrete looks. It is a porous media. The common applications of pervious concrete are parking lots, sidewalks, pathways, tennis courts, slope stabilization, swimming pool decks, greenhouse floors, zoo areas, road shoulders, drains, friction cores for highway pavements, permeable base under a normal concrete pavement, and low volume roads. The environmental benefits of pervious concrete are stormwater management, high reflectance, low lightning cost, parking area ecosystem, and heat island effects. So what do we mean by stormwater management is when land is covered with impervious parking areas, driveways and transit areas, rainfall is unable to soak into the ground as it would under natural conditions. The permeability of porous concrete provides a potential solution to the problem of stormwater runoff, which is a serious environmental concern accompanying increased urbanizations. It is therefore flow of the pavement and into the adjacent area which can result in flooding, erosion and disruption of environmental balance if the rainwater or the stormwater does not percolate at the site. The other environmental benefit is high reflectance and low lighting cost. Concrete surfaces have a much higher reflectance than other paving materials. For example, a bituminous road. Specifications requiring a minimum surface reflectance are becoming increasingly common. The inherently light color of concrete naturally reflects heat and light. Studies have shown that concrete's reflectivity can lower lighting cost by as much as 30% over other pavement materials. The other benefit is parking area ecosystem. Water is able to pass directly through the pavement and into the soil rather than collecting on or running off the surface. In this way, pervious concrete can greatly reduce stormwater runoff and its associated problems, and it will recharge the pervious concrete can greatly reduce stormwater runoff and its associated problems, and it will recharge the groundwater. The another environmental benefit is heat island effect. The heat island effect is a phenomena which has accompanied and increased with urbanization, and it refers to the fact that man-made structures tend to attract and retain heat at a higher rate than is normal in nature. This results in an increase in ground level ozone production by as much as 30%. A tightly packed urban area can average as much as 12 degrees warmer than its surrounding rural regions. Now the pervious pavement and lead points. Pervious concrete also helps to achieve lead points of the United States Green Building Council assessments of global water resources indicate that water scarcity will increase dramatically during the next decade, with a disproportionate and severe effect on developing countries. UNESCO predicts that many countries will still face physical water scarcity in 2025. Their water need will outstrip supplies no matter what measures are taken. Specific credits under LEED for pervious concrete can help designer or owner. The following LEED credits are applicable to pervious concrete. LEED credit SSC 6.1 Stormwater Design Quality Control, SSC 6.2 Stormwater Design Quality Control, SSC 7.1 Heat Island Effect for non-roof surfaces, WEC 1.1 Water Efficient Landscaping, MRC 4.1 and 4.2 for recycled content, and MRC 5.1 and MRC 5.2 for regional materials. At the end, based on the presentation, I would like to conclude here that population growth and urbanization will pose significant challenges for water resource management throughout the world. Impermeable materials used for pavement of roads, platforms, buildings, and their surrounding areas results in rainwater runoff and water pollution. To have sustainable water management in urban areas, the impermeable surfaces should be minimum. The traditional stormwater harvesting techniques have some limitations. Pervious concrete pavements can allow larger quantities of rainwater to percolate into the underlying soils and at the same time reduce the entrance of pollutants in stormwater systems, and also it will reduce down the load on the stormwater treatment plants. Pervious concrete offer the best solution for rainwater runoff and pollution problems in urban areas. With this, I conclude my presentation. Following are the references used for this presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much.